Well, this is the new L3Harris Technologies. It is the merger of equals, first announced last October, became official just a few minutes after midnight on June 29th. That was right after Harris Corp finished its fiscal 2019 year. The company, which began trading here under ticker LHX, you can see that right there. It's down about 4% right now, hiked its dividend today. New board greenlighting a $4 billion share buyback program. This deal is really creating an aerospace and defense technology giant. It is now the 6th largest U.S. defense contractor, portfolio including military radios, space hardware, avionics, electronic warfare. Here's the plan. They're going to invest 4% of revenue into research and development. I spoke with L3Harris's CEO, Bill Brown, and also COO, Chris Kubasik, over the weekend. I asked if and what they would divest as they get to work integrating all of these different businesses. Brown telling me no decisions have been made yet. Kubasik also saying that this merger creates another competitor in the sector. And Scott, back to your point before, we have seen a lot of consolidation in aerospace and defense. Last month, another merger of equals, for example, between United Tech and Raytheon. And the key here, I think, is really for each of these deals, does it create another competitor or does it take away the competition? In the case of L3Harris, and you certainly saw this with the stocks of both of those companies coming into this merger, rallying 45%, the argument could be made that they are going to add to the competition for some of these future Pentagon contracts.
You spoke earlier today. I heard you on one of the earlier shows talking about this deal and talking about defense budgets only going one way, and that's up.
It would appear to be the case. There has been a lot of speculation. A number of analysts have come out in the last couple of months and said all these deals, all this M&A, maybe this is signaling a top for defense dollars. But if you actually look at the fiscal 20 defense budget proposals, the legislation that's coming out of both the House and the Senate represents increases. Both of these executives at this company, and by the way, I've heard similar comments from folks, including United Technologies and Raytheon, believe that that number will continue to grow because, quite frankly, the geopolitical risks.
That's right.
China, North Korea, Russia, Iran, they're not going anywhere.
Yeah. All right. Good stuff.
Thanks.
All right. Oh.
What do you think? What do you think of defense stocks right now?
I was wondering if you were going to ask me.
Yeah, please.
I'm just basking in my moment of reporting, apparently.
Very
Even if we
reporting.
don't ask, just
yeah, no, I just
fine.
think there has been a lot of M&A in this space, but it hasn't been priced at a maximum premium, even though these are stocks that have done very, very well in this market. So I think you're getting good valuations for these deals, and I think a tie-up of L3 and Harris is a good thing because these are mid-sized companies. They're going to create size and scale, and they'll be able to take some market share, hopefully, in the defense electronic space. So we view this as a positive.